Hello traders, welcome to today's video on the HMA Trend Professional for MT4. This trend following indicator uses whole moving average logic to give a professional grade color-coded trend view designed to support systematic trading on MetaTrader 4. Although the indicator on the chart, so you can see how it looks in real time. The HMA Trend Professional plots a whole-based trend overlay directly on the chart, typically changing color when the trend flips from bullish to bearish or vice versa. In bullish conditions, the line takes on a green color beneath or through price, as you can see over here, and as you can see on the chart. Meanwhile, in bearish conditions, it switches to a red color above or around the price. This makes it easier to visually separate trending periods from transitions or sideways phases, which is evident from our chart screen. Now let's move over to the settings. We have the period, which is the HMA period, and we have the method and price, which this controls how quickly trend changes are recognized and the sensitivity of the HMA. We also have the color of the lines of the line and the color changes. It's 1 for red being bearish and 0 for lime green being bullish. We have the thickness too. Now let's move forward. Now if you're wondering who it's for, the HMA Trend Professional is intended for traders who want a clean professional trend filter built around whole moving average dynamics. It inherits the strengths and weaknesses of any trend following method, that is, good performance in sustained trends, but lag at reversals and potential whipsaws in range bound or highly volatile conditions. It's wise to always combine it with additional filters, entry rules, and risk management practices. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below, and also read more about the HMA Trend Professional MT4, including example setups which can help you understand it better and practice best tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more educational videos in future.